Mnangagwa must be stopped from inserting resolution. The 13th of September 2025. Spread the love. I categorically reject Resolution Number 1, which seeks to extend the president's term beyond 2028. The Constitution is clear on term limits, and any attempt to alter this provision is a direct violation of the democratic foundations of our republic. Let it be known, ZANU-PF, as a political party, has no authority to unilaterally amend the Constitution. That power rests solely with the people of Zimbabwe, the ultimate custodians of our sovereignty and democracy. The claim that Zimbabwe lacks capable leaders is false, insulting, and dangerous. It is nothing more than a self-serving excuse to justify the consolidation of power. Our Constitution was deliberately designed to ensure peaceful leadership transitions and to protect the nation from authoritarian rule. Furthermore, Vision 2030 is a United Nations framework for sustainable development. It does not belong to any individual or political party. National progress must never be conflated with partisan agendas or personal ambitions. As Gifford Gamwe, I call upon every Zimbabwean to stand firm, reject this resolution, and defend our Constitution without compromise. Safeguarding our democracy is not merely a choice, it is our solemn duty.